Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, Mobility 316, taking a video today of our 2018 Ford Transit 350. This is a side entry, brand new conversion. We just put a brand new bronability lift in this van. To make this lift work, we have to have the ignition on. No, the van doesn't have to be on, the ignition just has to be on. You can see up there, you have to have the emergency brake set, and you have to have the lift turned on. If those three things are not done, the lift will not work, okay? So we got a remote here. The right side takes it down. We hit unfold. You can see this brand new lift folds down. When it gets to this cycle and stops, we now hit the other button on the right side. The down button will bring the lift all the way to the ground. We have our lighting to help make this ADA compliant. We got our handles here, and you can see when the lift gets all the way down, we'll fold down, and then we can hang our remote just like so. All right, so some measurements on this van. It's got an 800-pound lift capacity, 33.5 inches wide, just a little over that. On the width of the lift here, 50 inches deep. Coming inside the van, we got 57.5 inches of headroom. And then once we're inside the van, there's about 67. So someone 5'7" tall can stand straight up in here. Now, the way the conversion is set up now, we got 7 seats in the back, 2 up front, so you could hold 9 passengers. And then from the strip here, right here, to the strip over there, we got 60 inches. So you get 2 wheelchairs side by side that are 30 inches wide, which would qualify for 2 bariatric wheelchairs. Now, not 2 super huge bariatric, but 2 bariatric wheelchairs in here, side by side, and you could haul 9 people plus 2 wheelchairs. Now, this van has a lot of options. These seats can be easily removed. You can say, hey Jeremiah, I want to haul a wheelchair up here, and I want you to put a gurney kit in the back so I can do stretchers. We would leave these 2 seats in, so it would be a 4-passenger plus the gurney kit plus 1 wheelchair. And you can hold multiple wheelchairs, obviously, if you pull the gurney kit out, which doesn't take long. But my point is, let us know your measurements. Let us know what you're trying to do, how many people you're trying to haul. Let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Pretty clean interior here. It's got the cloth seats in the back. It's got all your rear air controls. Got all your cup holders back here for your passengers in the rear. It's got the brand new lift on it. It has 23 cycles. They do cycle it from the factory, but got your upgraded Q-straight tie downs with your shoulder harnesses up here. Got your tie down warranty and information right there. The lift comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on the lift itself. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes on the dash. Steering wheel controls can keep your eyes on the road. Plug-ins up here and cup holders. Another cup holder over there for the driver. You got your rear air controls, a little bit of storage space here. Headliner's in good shape. You got your vents over here as well. You've even got manual operation of the lift. If it does malfunction, you can use a little jack style here, plug it in here and crank it up. Shouldn't be an issue for quite a while, being this thing's brand new, but there's always that option in case something does happen. So when you got everybody secure, come back out of the van. We're going to reverse the process. The left side, we're going to take it up. See, the lift comes up here. We've got all our warranty information. That's what that paperwork is there, showing this is brand new. When it gets to this stage and stops, we then hit the up button. Just like so. And we hang the remote right back here. Always just be sure to turn that off, save your battery, okay? And you can see here, got the 800-pound, focus for me camera, there we go, 800-pound weight capacity, bronability made in the USA. This can be serviced at any Braun dealer in the country. Give the door shut. We've got our little step right there. A quick walk around to the van. It's got the tinted windows in the back. We just put 4 brand new tires on this van. So all 4 tires are absolutely 100% brand new. So tires shouldn't be an issue for quite a while as we continue our walk around. Very clean van. My guys go over this very thorough. If you do want access in the back, by the way, there was a little tiny ding there. I don't know if it's about the size of my fingertip. Definitely nothing major. But you got your jack back here. Got your spare tire underneath there in case you need it. But to access the back here, you can come in these back doors. You can remove some of these seats, like I said, to make more room. But there's tons of storage room in here. And with this flexible seating, There's tons of options on how you can use this van. You can even put a trailer hitch on it if you wanted to. You know, tow yourself a small trailer, small boat. If you're a traveler that likes to get out and about, that's the nice thing about these the side entries is the rear entry is still open. But overall, very clean. It's the EcoBoost 3.5. It gets great fuel mileage, but also has plenty of power to tow, to get up on the highway. And no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video of the VIN number sticker in there. And you say, why would I care about a video of the VIN number sticker? Well, I'll tell you what. These scammers had someone call me a couple weeks ago. They were selling said one of my vans was on Facebook Marketplace. A private individual was selling one of my vans for $8,200. Tell you what, that was a $45,000 van. Now this scammer even produced a fake title, which with technology these days you can do, and had a nice backstory about how they loved helping old people. So anyways, but if you ask that person, give me a video of that VIN number sticker, they couldn't do it because they didn't have the van in their possession. Make sure you get a video of that VIN number. Okay, also what we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles, you can see Carfax shows one owner, shows minor damage, not an accident. I'm going to show that to you here in just a minute. It's already been serviced 4 times. Last owned as a personal vehicle. Now as we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. And they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a one owner clean title. Carfax shows there's never been structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer's accurate. Shows Carfax's words, very minor damage. Shows no open recalls. Then as we scroll down here, you can see the vehicle has been owned in nice salt rust free Texas. It does show in November of 2018, so 6 years ago. It involved front or side impact damage to right rear airbag. Did not deploy. Minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents or scratches to the vehicle body. So, you know, I'm going to guess someone maybe bumped them in a parking lot or something like that, but definitely no major damage. I will not buy vehicles with major damage. I don't mind buying a vehicle that's had a door painted or a bumper replaced. That's not a big deal. And no matter who you buy from, find them, check their reputation online. Find it's on eBay, 1,478 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback, 100% positive feedback. I'd say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company, that you're not getting scammed from someone posing as a real company. And check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I hear people all the time, they tell me how they bought from a private individual. They end up buying a vehicle that's been in a flood, one they can't get a title for, I've even heard of ones that have been stolen. So if you're going to buy from private individuals, you better know what you're doing. Or they end up buying from one of these dealers online. They didn't bother finding them on Google, looking up their reviews. They buy one of the dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews. They end up with a van with frame damage, mechanical issues, just major problems, a headache from start to finish. And so if you want 1 and 2 and 3 star vehicles, go ahead and shop from those people. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from someone that's been doing this for a dozen years, give me a phone call. All right, back to the van. We've got the one key with it. It's got the keyless entry. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime, we sure can. It's got the power driver's seat. Like I mentioned earlier, it's got the gray cloth interior. Hey, I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Just give me a little different perspective of the layout in the back, since some of you may have never seen on one of these vans. I'm from the inside, and I've got the, when I go to start the van, you can see Carfax confirmed, just 17,773 miles on this van. No check engine lights on, no airbag lights, no ABS lights, none of that. And it's got your backup camera, a great safety feature to have as well. Like I mentioned, your rear air controls. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all your power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show you the windows here. I'm going to show you the mirrors moving. We tested all the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Obviously the tires, we put brand new tires on it. We've given it a road test. We checked out the frame. Replace fluids as necessary. I hope you can tell by my videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. We do not just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, got a 3.5 V6 engine. Got the twin turbo. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Sounds great. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. And don't be fooled by that V6. It's got the twin turbo. I'm going to show you on the highway. These will get up and go. I'm pretty sure they have over a 9,000 pound towing capacity. I know the F-150s do, but we can Google that for sure. But check out underneath here. Check out how clean this is. No signs of any leaks, no fluid leaks, no signs of any bent frame or any damage, and no signs of any water damage, flood damage, or rust, from being up north. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, they assume because it only has 17,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume the drivetrain's strong, no transmission slipping. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or never been in a flood. That's the most dangerous thing you can do when buying a used vehicle. So what I want you to do, before you assume anything, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a private individual, I don't care if it's another dealer, and I want you to ask yourself, do they show me their reputation online? Thousands of reviews, so I know I'm buying from a reputable person on the other end of that phone, on the other end of that computer. Do they show me a Carfax report? So I know I'm getting a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, no floods, nothing like that. Do they bother getting down on their hands and knees and taking a picture of the undercarriage here, much less a detailed video, so you know exactly what you're getting? So you can see that the van, it's got a nice clean structure underneath it, no flood damage, nothing like that. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are in showing you exactly the van you're getting, please, I beg of you, compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you end up buying a van, say from somebody, a private individual you can't get a title for, or you buy a van with frame damage, whether it be from an accident or flood. It may not pass inspection in your state, and if you don't have a title for it, I guarantee it won't pass inspection in your state. You just bought a van you can't even drive. So no matter who you buy from, do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. If someone's going to ask you to spend a ton of money, or even just a little bit of money, tell them to get off their behind, put their heart and soul into a video like I do every single one of mine. Second, demand a Carfax report, not some cheap knockoff. Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I do that because I want to know what I'm buying. More importantly, I want you to know what you're getting. I'm buying from your perspective here. I'm the owner of this company. This is my money. I'm not some guy in the office spending millions of dollars just buying vehicles. I don't care if it's a good deal. I don't care if it's a bad deal. I just get paid to click buttons on the computer. No, this is my money. I am the owner. I'm buying from the exact same perspective. I want a good, solid vehicle. Third, get online. Find out their reputation. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. You're not a lazy buyer. You're going to find out who you're buying from. You're going to put a few minutes into it. And finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty, good at any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. When we stand behind our products, we make sure every single one of them comes with a warranty. So let's get it out on a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Transit home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy, runs and drives good down the highway. Let me show you what these little twin turbo V6s will do. Look at this. Well, I can't now. Let me get it out in this traffic and see, but they've got plenty of power to get this thing up and moving, to get passing. So there we go. Let me give it some gas here. Up to 70 miles an hour in no time. Steering wheel is nice and straight. No unusual vibration or noise. Runs and drives like a Transit with 17,000 miles on it. Very clean. Do keep in mind, we do offer the 90-day powertrain warranty at no additional charge to you. And we do have the extended warranties that cover not only the van, like a bumper-to-bumper type warranties, but they also cover the conversion. So if you do have any problems with the lift or anything like that, they'd be covered as well. And also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. One thing they've hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fees, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the shipping, especially on a vehicle this size, the total price jumps $3,000, $4,000, maybe even $5,000. So be sure to ask about the hidden fees and the shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for at that in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video. I want to be 100% transparent as I possibly can. As I came down the ramp there, you saw there was no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise when I hit the brake. And if you'd like to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That will come right to my cell phone number, or you can text, come right to my cell phone number. So I challenge you to ask the competition if they're dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. Maybe it's that super pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, reach out to me. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you absolutely zero pressure sales here. I'm going to sell this Transit whether you buy it or not, so no pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicles. Call me, I can explain how that works. And I want to show you the radio working here real quick. Oh, let me get the radio button.
Resale details.
There we go. I always like to show you the radio works as well. So if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but it's a lot to cover. It's a major purchase. I want to be detailed as I possibly can. And if you do give us a thumbs up here on YouTube, that will help us out. Click the thumbs up button. We'd really appreciate that. And also give us a follow on YouTube if you want to be the first to see all of our upcoming videos of all of our vans. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with our brand new website, up-to-date detailed videos like this, free Carfax, free shipping, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees from the most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website at 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you for checking out mobility316.com, home of affordable mobility solutions, the most thorough dealership in the country. Give us that call today.